Good day, everybody. This is Nelca, Roco again, and I received a comment from one of my friends in YouTube. Unfortunately, this is, I think, in Portuguese or Spanish language. So what I did is I grab it, copy it, and then I will Google translate it because this message sounds important. This is from Mauro Leandro. So I translated it and this is what I got. So it says,
Nelco Roco, parabéns pelo excelente trabalho. Esta aula ajudou bastante a gente aqui no Brasil.
yeah.
Obrigado.
Okay, and when I translated here, it says, Nelca Rocco, congratulations on the excellent work. This class helped a lot of agent here in Brazil. Thanks. Okay, so that is the translation of this of Mauro's message. So what I'm going to do is I will answer him also in Portuguese because Google detected it's a Portuguese language. Okay, so I will reply in Portuguese. And this is I'm going to reply. Wow, thank you. I'm glad that I can help you and the other Brazilian agents there. And that is,
Uau, obrigado também. Fico feliz em poder ajudar você e os outros agentes brasileiros lá.
yes. And then I will just copy it and I will paste it there. Say love and then reply. Okay, now I'm so happy that I can reply with my subscribers using their own language. Yeah, okay, so that's how fun this being a YouTuber. And actually, it's not the reason I created this video. This is the reason why. So, this is another comment from Dogyu Ingin Mall. I hope I pronounced it correctly. And she said, because her profile pic is a female, when I do the calculation with the calculation object, it only shows lux levels, not in candela per square meter. How can I also see candela per square meter? So I will like it and heart it, and then I will reply later because, yeah, we're going to answer it now. So she wants a candela per square meter. And I open now my Dialux Evo here. And we will try a calculation surface here in this small room. So I go to the plan view, go to the calculation object tab, and I will create one calculation here. Let's just imagine it's on the table. I'll say yes. And I will place this one on the top of, say, 0.8. So let's go and see it in 3D. Yes, now it's in the 0.8. And you can see here in the calculation parameters that there is a horizontal, a perpendicular, a luminance, adaptive, vertical, and everything. And if we click all of this, yes, let's try and let's see where we can find the candela per square meter. Okay, so I clicked everything and yeah, there you go. And I'll go now to my fast. So we'll calculate it fast and then I will calculate now. Okay, so it is done. And when I click it and see the results overview here, so everything is here and I can see that there's no candela per square meter here, even though I open all the calculation parameters. So why is that and where we can find this candela per square meter? Okay, so let's review. I opened this one because I have a new course in Udemy. Yay! And that is all about lighting design basics. So I selected this question because it's part of my subject in that course. Okay, so what is that candela per square meter? So candela per square meter is, there you go. This is the luminance. It means that is the light that our eyes perceive, not the lux value from the luminaire or from the light source. Okay, so Dugyu, that is a luminance. So candela per square meter is a light that is perceived by our eyes. And what we did here in our calculation is just a calculation plane, no surface at all, where we can see the light bouncing from the object. That's why we cannot get the candela per square meter result here. These are all lux value because there is no reflected lights from the object that we're seeing right now. This is just an invisible plane. Okay, so to answer your question, how to do that? So you need to create a plane or a surface to do that. You can either create a table. So go to the construction tab and get a table. You can either have a cube for now or just select the table from the models. So for now, I'll just use the rectangular, the cube, and I'll go here and insert this object here. Okay, I'll just keep it like that. So now I have a cube and I will go to the calculation object again and I will press this result on surface. Click it and then click on the top. Now you have your calculation surface, and here when we calculate it, there we will see the candela per square meter. Okay, let's turn on the false color value chart and here. And then we will remove now our imaginary calculation surface. Okay, we will just leave it like that and just take the horizontal plane and remove the other calculation parameters. Okay, so what we have here is the table and then calculation surface and the original calculation surface from this room, which we can turn off if we want. So I'll go here and turn it off. Yeah, the automatic working plane. I turn it off. Okay, so what we have here is this one, the one we created, and the table that we selected as results on surface. And when we calculate it, let's see. There you go. Now you can see here on the result that on the surface object, we have 128 candela per square meter. Now you will have your candelas per square meter because your eyes can now perceive the light on the surface. This one, it's just an imaginary calculation surface and you cannot see it. It's an invisible calculation surface because it's measuring the light from the luminaire. Control R, there you go. So to get the candela per square meter, yes, you should have a surface. One more thing, let's do it again. Let's click results on the surface and click on the wall. And there you go. It's another 41.2 candela per square meter because we click the wall, it's an object, and we perceive the light from that wall. That's why we have a candela per square meter value here. Okay, so yeah, I hope you learned something today, and that's how you will get your report about candela per square meter. Again, you should find out the difference between luminance, which is candela per square meter, and illuminance, which is lux value or foot candle in English. All right. So thank you so much. And I will publish this new course, Lighting Design Basics, soon once Udemy approve it. And I will again give a coupon codes for all my subscribers and Facebook friends and LinkedIn friends. So yeah, that's it for now. And I'll see you again on the next video. Oh, I forgot, of course, don't forget to check my other Udemy courses while you are waiting with this course. And yes, I hope you will enroll one of this also aside from. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and be my friend in Facebook. Okay, see you again on the next video.